Hello, hello, hello. Hmm, am I on? I don't even know. Let's try to let's try to look at YouTube and Twitch. This is the first time I'm doing something like this. Doing some sort of streaming. Hmm, I don't even know if it's working. It says it's streaming now. Oh, it is streaming. Okay, why? How do you change how do you change the name of this thing? I don't want to call it multi-streaming with Restream.io. Damn. Wait. Okay, it's working. Am I live here? I think I'm live. Okay, nice. Okay, not off to a good start, but figure it out. Hmm. Oh, can we rename it? Oh yeah, there we go. Ah, okay, let me update the titles. Call it this. Oh, hmm. why's the why is it so small? Okay, so today's live stream, we are going to talk about we're gonna help. We're gonna build this insurance website template, and the reason why we're gonna do something boring like that is because well, I'll tell you in a bit. Actually, let me stop. Should I stop? No, just keep going. The description is um, building a website Webflow template. Let me show you here. Template from one of our unpublished sites, and this is software and development. Is it? Science and technology? Are we considered science and technology? Music and art? Science and technology? Are we technology? Yeah, whatever. There we go. Okay, so now we have these two things. We can view it on Twitch, view it on YouTube. So let me just view it on Twitch. And then where did it go? View on YouTube. Share it with my Twitter fam. And I'll be like, live streaming right now. Oops. Why is my okay? And there we go. It's just me and the computer's really slow. Boom. And this is not very let me delete this. Because the reason why is just I wanna make it a little bit more specific. I don't think anybody would know like what the heck I'm doing. I'm gonna delete this. Yeah, I just woke up like 15 minutes ago, and I was just like, I'm gonna do this now. So I'm going to do it. And I don't care if it sucks or not, because um, live streaming my design and development process. And then I'm gonna put my YouTube, and I'm also gonna put my Twitch out. We'll be building an insurance website template for in Figma and Webflow. All right. Okay. So the reason why I'm doing something like this is because, long story short, got a lot of free time recently, and I have been trying to figure out how to, market our studio more often. Wait a second, why is the display like this? Can I make it longer? Display. 1 second. Okay, I guess it's fine. I don't know. Mm, okay, I'm gonna assume that everybody knows what I'm gonna assume that everybody knows what I'm looking at. So today, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, um, let's not call this UBI, insurance website template. So, let me just put this out here. So today, we are going to build an insurance website template. And this is my Obsidian file. And the reason why I'm building this template is because, like, years ago we had a we had a project that wasn't published in the end, and I just didn't want to leave it to go to waste because it's sitting on my Webflow project at the moment, and I just decided why not make. Actually, it's been on the back of my mind, like why don't we just repurpose it into a into a template. But obviously, we can't use the original designs. We'd have to redo most of the templates redo most of the sites from scratch. So, what I'm about to do is I've got a little sitemap here of all the pages, and uh, I'm going to build it all again in Figma first, just so everybody knows how I build stuff on Webflow, how my design process is, and then I'm going to uh, develop it on Webflow. Yes. So the reason why I'm live streaming is because I am inspired by this man called George Hawks. He's always been streaming and always just been talking about like, oh, yo, like this is what like. He's always streaming his stuff, and I have absolutely no idea. Like, I don't know anything about programming or like Python or data science or anything that he does. I probably even got it wrong, but you know, um, the just the thing about how he just does his stuff and makes me feel like, oh, he doesn't really care about like, building a nice thumbnail or like planning out the stream. It's just him, purely him, and then just going at it. And it kind of inspired me. So this is what I'm trying to do. I want to do this like every day. So it's gonna be I plan to do it like um, in the morning. And I live in Hong Kong time, GMT plus 8. So if you like it, subscribe, comment, and subscribe, and we'll get things going. Um, Out of curiosity, I just want to see like if anyone's watching. Probably not. I only promoted it like once, but let's see. I don't even think you could see my entire screen, man. Shit. Okay, I think you can. Okay. Okay, you can. Oh, there's three people watching, I guess. I don't know. Two people there. Okay, never mind. Let's get to work. People are watching. So insurance website template consists of the homepage, about us, protection plans, and then claims, and then a blog, legal, and a membership corner. I'm probably going to use like Webflow membership. I've never used that before, so it would probably be fun. I don't even know like how we're gonna do it. And then a contact us in the 404. So let's try to build all that out. What I will utilize is first connecting to the VPN because I will use ChatGPT to generate the content. It's a placeholder content, so I don't think it would. And at the same time, let's try to make some prompts for ChatGPT. Um, let's see if it works still. Hope it still works. If not, we could just go straight into the design in. Okay, let's see. Let's do this. Um, so let's say you are a how are we gonna prompt this? Create placeholder content for an insurance a company looking their um okay. So what's the safest? Because I just don't want to get sued. I don't think I'll get sued, but I guess I need to describe the company in general. So maybe I would say like they have been doing things. Oh shit. They have been operating manually. They have been around since like say 1900s, operating in the insurance field. Um, Up until now, they have been very manual with their processes, e.g., filing claims and promoting look and feel. Um, okay, so this is from an actual client. I'm not gonna say who, obviously, but I'm just gonna give it a try. So what else should I say? Um, Homepage content. Okay, so that's the first thing. I think I should describe a little bit more what they do. They have two protection plans for customers to choose from, and typhoon protection. Typhoon protect Cancer protection is for employers to um, I don't know much about insurance actually. Protect. Okay, well, cancer protection insures the customer for in the event that they get cancer and the user, whilst typhoon is more for B2C, while is for business owners, B2B, to protect their physical store space. And then the one paragraph, three sentences describing first come up with a name for this make believe insurance company. Ensure that this company has the name has just 1 to 2 words. Actually, just screw it. Summarizing. Okay, so then next one is this section, your section. Um, Provide 2 paragraphs, headings, and 2 paragraphs for describing what type of protection plans are available within this insurance company, and then maybe 5 words max. Okay, probably doing things really slowly, but whatever. Lines of business, never mind. Video, um, mm, heading, paragraph, and to describe type of, in the amount of time that we have. So let's see. Okay, maintain a tone of voice voice with professionalism, timelessness, and um, what is it called? What, but still, and I wanted to say like, but still keeping up. Let's do this. Let's see what happens. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, there it was. This is nice. So the reason why I've been using ChatGPT to generate content is because recently, um, some of the clients that I've been working with, they don't even have any content, and it's just really hard to work on the design stuff without actually without any content available. So I've just been like generating some um, placeholder content like this, so that we can get the design thing going, and then they can just like redo the content later. And it also gives them some idea of what it would look like. So nice. Um, what am I gonna do? So we're going to call this fictional company called Shield Guard, and then we're going to paste this here. Right. Nice, nice. And then we're going to make these sections here, and then the sections. Um, so and we're going to delete the lines of business. But for the video, maybe we're going to oops, we're going to ask ChatGPT what type of videos for the homepage. What type of videos would be a good idea to place within. I'm not very good at prompts. I'm not gonna lie. And I'm also not good at design, and I'm also not really good at creating content, obviously. But um, I realize that working in this industry is just about like finding the just pretty much just finding the tools available and then just making use of it, right? So we're gonna do this first, and then I'm thinking whether we should do the rest of the yeah, we should do the rest of it just because like I don't want to. We're on a roll here. I don't want to like be here and there. So shield guard about us. Okay, nice. Well, so what are we gonna do? The page is here. here, and then so initially I planned for like a hero section. Do is let's just do it from here. Create an about us page for Shield Guard. There will be 5 sections, and then we're gonna copy this here. Hero, okay. Hero sections. So we could just be like, mm, so describing what um, describing the rich history, summarizing the rich history of Shield Guard, and what describing what users will expect in that page. I'm going to take a moment to see whether anyone is watching. You've been live for 25 minutes. That's just beautiful. Let's get on the chat. ChatGPT, ChatGPT. I was really happy when ChatGPT was like, "Oh, no one's watching. It's cool." Is it? Oh, one person's watching. If you're on the chat, say hello. I'm gonna see if anyone from Twitter really responded. I don't know what time it is. What time is it in New York? Oh, 11 p.m. No one's. I'm like 8:37. I'm wondering if people are still awake. Chicago. The reason why I decided to just go for the so, yeah, the reason why the entire industry, but I want to take this up. Like, if somebody asks, I'll probably talk about it, but there's nobody here, so whatever. Let's just keep going. But to summarize that random thought, I look up to like whatever's happening in the Western Hemisphere, particularly the U.S. and yeah, Canada, because that's where all the global Webflow community is at. If anyone from the Webflow community is watching this live stream and made it up till now, thanks for your support. But yeah, just a lot of things happening over there, and I always want to like kind of get into it and just join their events. But like every time they have like some live streams or some events like that, it's always like 2 a.m. Hong Kong time or like 12 a.m. Hong Kong time, and uh, it's a little, part of me is like, I gotta hustle and join these events and get to know people, but part of me is like, I need some sleep too. So let's see, maybe later I'll be like, okay, I'm going to join these things. So gonna gonna go for it. I'm just gonna continue. So give 5 major milestones. Okay. Each time there is a heading and paragraph needed, maintain the character limit. I just don't want to keep repeating the same stuff, the same thing over and over again. So, um, can have 8 sentences max. Be more descriptive. Nice. Um, create 6 fictional personas for team members and major shareholders of this company. Field guard. Um, they should have describe describe their deep expertise in the field of insurance brokerage, the awards they have won, and um, anything else relevant, any other relevant things. Okay, call to action. I think we already have a call to action. So I guess just Okay, there we go. We got this ready. Okay, let's see if anyone's watching. Two people watching. That's great. We're just gonna keep going. I don't care. YOLO. If you're watching this, I would love to know who you are and how you found this. So if you could just type on the chat, that would make my life much happier. Anyway, let's go into it. I don't think we're designing today. It's taking how to navigate things here and there. I do like how, for example, like I have this. Where is it? Where's my obsidian? I don't just have this. What's this? What's going on? Hmm. Like I like how you could just like put things side by side, and then you can just see everything in one view. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, so I am going to copy this here, and then boom. So basically, the protection plans. What I have this in mind, what I have in mind is just like um, each each page, each cancer protection plan would sorry, each protection plan would have a hero form just to fill in like just to give an estimate, like to allow users to estimate how much their premium indication is. A very great example is bow tie, um, shit, bow tie Hong Kong. So all these references you'll see later are from Hong Kong because I'm based in Hong Kong. Right. And basically, what makes so Bowtie is an insurance company that you know, that promotes it's like the main selling point is how convenient it is to like get a quote immediately. And like the reason why I'm using this example is because when I was doing this project previously, this is what they kept like this is what they kept referencing. And so basically what it is that Um, let's see if there's I think they revamped it. Um, okay, let's say for the sake of this template, we're for this. So what I need is to generate content for the oops for the cancer and typhoon. So how do I describe this? So I'm thinking about this to be CMS. So on Webflow, it's a CMS template page, and then each will have a hero section heading and a hero section. Oops, shit. Hero section rich text, I guess. I don't know. What's the best way to do it? Rich text, and then features one, features two, features three. Um, the rich text field is so that clients would be able to like just input content immediately. Um, okay, so rich text, and rich text, and then FAQ. Come up with a FAQs, and then we're gonna go for a call to action. Great, nice. So I'm going to do this. So create placeholder content for the cancer and typhoon template pages for Shield Guard. The plan is to build this on a Webflow CMS. I don't know if ChatGPT wants to have some sort of like I don't know if like this is relevant information for ChatGPT, but we'll leave it at that. So that when Shield Guard has um, users a new protection, they'd be able to generate a landing page for with ease. So therefore, and describing the feature of this protection plan. The first feature, fictional feature. Okay, we're gonna do this. I don't think, I don't know if anyone has a better way of doing the prompt, then please let me know. I'm always willing to learn. Um, when that customers face when dealing with the protection in each protect. Okay, let's see if this works. Boom! I'm gonna take a moment to see if people are watching. Apparently, two people are still watching. That's great. And it has now been 36 minutes. I'm still alive. Still kicking it. Actually, let's see what we got here. Um, Follow me on Twitter. Actually, most of the audience probably be from Twitter. So, oh, okay. So, another thing I've been doing is I've been doing stuff on doing. I've been focusing more on sales recently. I've been just like doing some cold email outreach. I don't know if it's been working or not. Okay, can you come up with answers for the above FAQs? Yeah, right now it's more like a business development period in our studio. We just got out of like a lot of traveling because for those of you who don't know, me and my partner, we are street dancers and we have been traveling like pretty much every month to like competing competitions and I guess like mm, I guess like the thing is working in our own studio gives us a lot of flexibility to kind of do the work on our own time. But unfortunately, we haven't found like a we haven't found like a great system. We haven't found a good system to really like keep ourselves accountable for the work that we're doing. I know it's a little bit like irresponsible, but um, fortunately, we haven't had like a moment where like we couldn't do the work. Like we've always been very diligent and stuff. But it's just like right now, like we're 2 years in the game. We just need to kind of like systemize the process somehow, and perhaps like be able to like step away from the business side. Because it's just the two of us. So anyway, where we got? Okay, we're done with the protection plans. I'll figure it out later. So then we're gonna go for the claims. All right. So what the claims? Let's see. Let's call this shield guard. Let's call this shield guard claim. Working on this project taught me a lot about insurance, the insurance industry, as well as like I've worked with like consumer based insurance as well as like how do you say um like insurance brokerage where you like give insurance where you work with like businesses to provide insurance for all of their employees and it gets really complicated and I'm just like damn, this is a lot to take in, but I'm a very curious person. I really like learning about some different things that I don't know. So um correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not an insurance like expert obviously, but um it's just interesting to learn different industries. This is why I'm kind of in the business. So claims corners. Okay, so what we're gonna do is um create a page for users for Shield Guard customers to what is this? To learn how to submit claims for in the event that there is an accident for claiming insurance. There will be the following sections. Okay, let's copy what we got at the top. Okay, the ease of submitting claims for Shield Guard. Okay. see what we got. Boom. Hmm. All right. Is my audio still audible? Yes, it is. So, okay, there's 5 steps. It looks like there's 5 steps according to this random information that I found. So I'm just gonna say 5 steps. I'm just gonna say 5 steps. I'm doing this very inefficiently, I understand, but like for the sake of the time, we're just gonna do it like this. We're just gonna do it like this. And what we got? Let's see what else every people have. Documents. Let's call it documents. During the submissions, respective answers, and then what we're gonna do is like documents, heading and description, and list of documents that need to be submitted when submitting claim for claims. Give example documents for cancer and 5 for typhoon. One second. All right, let's wait for this, and I think we're just gonna end the live stream there. So it's really pretty much just content creation at this point. Hmm. Okay, we're just gonna generate this content real quick, and then we're gonna call it a day. I think it's just because what we have so far is we have a homepage, an about us page, protection plans, some claims, and we have some. We're not gonna make some forms for this, I think. So, and then we're gonna the last thing we're gonna do is the blog and then the legal and contact us. Yeah. So we have four sections to create, 4 pages to create, and then after that we are going to start building this on Figma. So, thanks to the 2 people who are watching. Is it? Actually, I think we can keep going. Screw it. I don't care. Let's do it. How do I know where the chat is? The chat. And stream information. It's cool. It's cool. I mean, got to start somewhere, right? That thing. Okay. Did I copy this correctly? Yep, I did. For design purposes, the blog hero, then rich text. One sample, let's see, one sample blog article for Shield Guard. Um, the blog will contain informative content for their customers so that they can, and also, and is also a tool to for Shield Guard to list to improve the SEO, strong SEO with include relevant keywords for their particular the article blog, blog content should be um, keyword rich and should I'm just going to um, we're just going to do this. So let's see. Oh wow, cool. So it not just only created the content, we also created the keywords too. Great. Okay, cool. Um, for legal, I'm thinking if we could just privacy policy, and then we got what's the next one? Disclaimer. Yeah. Um, let's get started. Just get a random one. I hope we don't need to pay for this one. Ah, shit. Let's see. Maybe we could just we should use ChatGPT again. Create placeholder privacy policy. And, okay, I'm just gonna do this. Yeah, again, this is just for um, design purposes. We just need some placeholder content for sure. Let's see how this is going. And I have also never used a 404 page. I've never designed a 404 page, so that's going to be fun. So I think this is probably just going to be the last thing that we're going to do before we sign off for today. And here we go. Boom. Again, this is very, it's again, don't trust ChatGPT for any legal advice that you seek. This is just, again, just for educational purposes. So, boom. Great. So I guess the goal for today was just to create placeholder content. Now what we're going to do next is um, we're going to go to Figma. I'm probably going to do this tomorrow. Go to Figma, load up the Realoom library, and create wireframes for it. So um, again, I'm going to go for the Realoom library. I think 14 is already out, but for the sake of it, we're just going to get the 13. And so we're going to call this the Shield Guard template. Um, um, and then we're going to call this wireframes first. Information architecture. So we're going to build the following, the blocks of, just going to build each website like that. And basically it could be just like a home. I could actually already do it now. So we're going to go for home, just duplicate all that. It could be like this one about, this is, what do I have here? Home about, okay, typhoon. And then what else we got? Claims. And perhaps we can have a few things for, a few screens for the member stuff. I have no idea what we can do for the member stuff, but let's try to get this party started and just kind of just do something like that. I'm just gonna add auto layout to all of them so that when we copy and paste some stuff onto the template, onto the wireframe, then it should be relatively easy. So what I'm planning to do is just perhaps, for example, take this, copy that, and then put it here, and then just populate it with like sections that I feel are the um, relevant to the page that I'm doing. So it's just going to be an auto layout with no padding and no padding and no spacing between, and they're all vertically aligned. So just going to do that for now. hmm Yeah, definitely. This is let's see if I can bulk do it because I just don't want to. Nice. Okay, so that's it for today. I think no designing, no nothing yet. It's just more about content and preparing the Figma file for wireframes. I'm planning to do another thing tomorrow. Hope I can wake up early, but essentially, we'll be building like the wireframes first, and then we are going to find some branding elements to just put it inside. I already have a picture now, so that's it for today. Thanks, guys.